Hi everyone, welcome to Treflow Publishers. Let me quickly show you how to increase the number of sheets. You see this one here is called sheets in Excel. Sheets, okay? Can you see where I am clicking on? It's called sheets in Excel, okay? So to add another sheet, if you need more sheets, just click on this plus sign. You see new sheets. Just click on it, and then you have more sheets. So let's say you want to hide a particular sheet, or you want to unhide a particular sheet. How do you do that? So this particular sheet, I want to delete it. Let me delete this one. I'm going to delete this sheet. Before I delete it, let me show you how to rename it. Okay, I'll just double click on it, and then I'll put in a name that I want. Okay, so let's put in Treflow, and then I'll hit enter. So later I don't want this sheet again, I want to hide it. I can use this hide, or I can use this hide to hide it. Okay, but this time I don't want to hide this particular one, I want to delete it, so I'll just delete it. Okay, now let's see a particular one I want to hide. So let's say this staff ledger here, I'll show you how to rename. Okay, so let's say you want to rename this one. Now you right click. Can you see rename? Can you see rename here? So you just put another name that you desire, and then you hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to rename this one back to its original name, staff ledger. You right click, then you enter the name you want, and then you hit enter. That's how to rename. Now let us see how to hide this particular sheet. Okay, you right click, and then you click on hide. It's going to hide that sheet. Now I don't want to hide it again, I want to bring it up. I want to unhide it. You right click on any sheet, and then you click on hide. You will see the list of everything you have hidden before. This is the particular one I want to unhide. I'll click on it, and then I'll click on OK to unhide it. So that is how to hide sheet, that is how to unhide sheet, that is how to rename sheet. And here is how to add a new sheet, and you can as well delete the sheet. Okay, let me show you another thing. Let's say this particular staff payment slip, you want to give it color. You right click, and then you click on tab color. So let's say I want to give this a red color, this particular one. I'll just click on it, and then to know if it has applied, just click another sheet and then check back the can you see I clicked another sheet to check the one I added color to. This is the one I added color to. This staff payment slip was the one I added color to. So anytime you want to do something particularly for the sheet, always right click, and then you will see things you can do. Now look at this move and copy. Look at this move and copy. Now if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe, share this video so you can get more Excel tips like this. Thank you, and please comment. Let's continue. If you want to move or copy any sheet, okay, now you right click, I said, then you click on move. Now let's say I want to move that sheet. Maybe I want to bring it closer to teachers details. I want to bring it closer to teachers details. So I'll just click on this stock inventory. If I click on stock inventory, it will come before stock inventory. If I click on teachers details, it will come before teachers details. So I want it to come after teachers details. So I will click on stock inventory here, and then I'll click on OK. Can you see it has come before stock inventory, like I said. Now this is where I want it to be. But let's say in another situation, I don't want to move. I actually want to copy, so I can duplicate that particular sheet. How do I do that? Let's use this stock inventory as example. So you right click, and then you click on move or copy. Let's say I want it to be the last sheet. So you say move to the end. Can you see? Move to the end, and then you click on create a copy, because I actually want to duplicate it. So you click on create a copy, and then you click OK. Don't worry, this particular one is because I have so many things on this record. Also, so I'm going to rename this one. I'll just double click like I said and rename it as Treflow and then enter. So that is how to do that. So I can choose to maybe hide it or delete it. Anything you want to do again on the sheet, just right click, and then you can also protect the sheet. You don't want people to have access to it when they go on your Excel, and so there's a particular sheet you would like to protect. Now click on this protect, and then you put password here. You put password here. Just make sure you will remember the password you are putting. Okay, you leave these ones like this. Put password and click on OK. It will ask for the password again. Enter the password again, and then you click on OK. So this particular sheet is protected, meaning that nobody can edit anything on it. Now let's see. Can you see the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet, meaning that whosoever wants to edit something on it, they will have to unhide the sheet, and they will have to unprotect the sheet, and for them to unprotect the sheet they will need a password from you. Now how do you unprotect your sheet? You click on it and come to unprotect. Since you know the password, just enter the password, click OK, and you are good to go. Thank you. Please subscribe.